if you want to check software update on Samsung Frame TV, at first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down to the support and pick software update. Right now you can select or unselect auto updates, and if you go for the update now, and when you are connected to the Wi-Fi network or Ethernet cable, you will be able to get the latest version. As you can see, in my case there is no new updates. I am up to date, so I'm unable to install, but when the new update will be available, you will be simply get the new stuff on your TV. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.